Now, my client came in with a damaged toenail, and a lot of people think once your nail looks like this, that's it. But this is not true. As a licensed nail tech, I specialize in toenail reconstruction using professional products like NanoFlex. This is not an acrylic, it's not a press-on, it's a real nail restoration service. So first we're going to prep the nail, and then we'll apply the NanoFlex gel. First we'll apply the base, and then we'll cure that. So the NanoFlex is a very flexible product, which makes it perfect for toes. It also contains ingredients that help protect against bacteria. And it's designed specifically for toenail services. The NanoFlex is a professional, flexible UV LED gel designed to reconstruct damaged or weak toenails, utilizing NanoSilver for antifungal and antibacterial properties. It also offers a durable, non-porous, and flexible alternative to hard gels, preventing further trauma to the nail bed. So you can apply the NanoFlex gel to the damaged toenail and then cure the NanoFlex gel between the applications so that you can get the product applied correctly. A lot of people hide their feet because they don't even know that this service exists. NanoFlex is perfect for damaged, missing, or unhealthy toenails. Now we are ready to file the gel out, and after that we'll be ready to apply the polish. And here is our final result: natural, clean, reconstructed toenails. If you've been hiding your toes, drop me a comment and book an appointment. Post the content. Please post the content.